today we have to discuss about the syllabus discussion of M3 branch civil syllabus discussion of M3 subject engineering mathematics 3 branch civil SPPU Pune. Okay. Now in this syllabus, first of all we have to discuss exam pattern. First we have to discuss exam pattern. Exam pattern. Total mark for this subject. Total mark. Total marks 100. Okay, and distribution of these marks are: first, in same exam for 30 mark, in same exam for 30 mark, and second, in same exam for 70 marks. Okay, 30 plus 70, total marks 100. Okay, then term work. This term work belongs to 25 mark. Okay, so total marks for these subjects are 125, but उसमें for theory exam only for 100 mark. Theory exam only for 100 mark. Okay, now we have to discuss about the syllabus of M3 for civil branch. Total number of units, there are 6 units. There are 6 units for M3. Okay, and here for in same exam, this in same exam belongs to first 2 units, first and second unit. In same exam belongs to first 2 units, first and second unit. And in the same exam this belongs to unit number 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. Okay, for first 2 units in same exam for 30 mark, and for last 4 units in same exam for 70 marks. Okay, this is your syllabus distribution or exam pattern. This is your exam pattern. Total mark है 100. Total mark है 100 out of 100. In same exam for 30 mark. And here this in same exam totally depending upon unit number 1st and unit number 2nd. Okay, and in the same exam this belongs to last 4 units, unit 3, 4, 5th and 6th. Okay, and this exam has total 70 mark. 70 plus 30, total 100 mark. Okay, this is your exam pattern. Okay, now after that we have to discuss all unit number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th, also unit number 6th. Okay, तो देखो unit number 1st, name of the unit differentiable equation and applications. This is name of the unit, differentiable equation and applications. Okay, देखो इसमें we know that the differentiation very well. Okay, in M1 we have to discuss differentiation, also in M2 we have to discuss differentiation. Okay, so differentiation क्या है? Differentiation is nothing but derivative. Okay, derivative. How to find derivative in differentiation? There are two variables, one is dependent variable and one is independent variable. Okay, suppose x and y, suppose y is a function of x, y is a function of x, then we have to find a derivative of y, a derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx or y dash or y1 or f dash of x, all are same. Okay, all are same, dy by dx or y dash or y1 or f dash of x. Okay, so here y is a function of x, y is a function of x, उसका मीनिंग क्या है? y is a function of x, उसका मीनिंग क्या है? The value of y depending upon value of x. Okay, so y is dependent variable, y is called dependent variable and x is called independent variable. Okay, from the definition of function. Okay, y is equal to f of x is nothing but y is function of x. Okay, differentiation. Okay, आपको मालूम है वो सब डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है? ओके, डिफरेंशिएबल, देन इंटीग्रेशन, वो कंसेप्ट पहले ही हुए सब. तो देखो इन यूनिट नंबर फर्स्ट वी हैव टू डिस्कस डिफरेंशिएबल इक्वेशन and its application, differentiable equation and its applications. Okay, differentiable equation and its applications. Differentiable equation and its application. Okay, in this topic, first point, in this topic we have to discuss the first point. Point first, nth order linear differentiable equation, nth order linear differentiable equation with constant coefficient. Okay, this is your first point, nth order linear differentiable equation with constant coefficient. Okay, this is your first point. Then point number second, finding complementary function, that is CF, also finding particular integral, that is PI. Okay, these two belongs to solution of differentiable equation. Okay, then third point, methods of solving a differentiable equation. Methods of solving differentiable equation, उसमें first method general method, after that shortcut method, and third is MVP, that is the method of variation of parameters. Okay, first is general method, second is shortcut method, and third is MVP, method of variation of parameters. Okay, then point number fourth, Cauchy-Euler equation, comma Legendre's equation. Okay, these two are special types of equation, differentiable equation, Cauchy-Euler and Legendre's equation. Okay, then point number fifth, simultaneous and symmetrical simultaneous. symmetrical simultaneous. Simultaneous and symmetrical simultaneous linear differentiable equation. And point number 6, this is applications. Okay, तो देखो these are the points from first unit, important points from from unit number first. First point, nth order linear differentiable equation with constant coefficient. Point number second, finding solution. Finding solution, उसका मीनिंग क्या है? Find CF, also find PI. Okay, then for finding solution there are three methods. First is general method, then shortcut method, and MVP, method of evaluation of parameters. Then next, Cauchy-Euler equation, this is special case. Okay, special type है nth order linear differentiable equation का. Cauchy-Euler, also Legendre's equation. The next point, simultaneous and symmetrical simultaneous linear differentiable equation. And last is application. Okay, applications. So देखो, for exam, for INSEM exam, this unit first is important for INSEM exam. Okay, from unit first आपका question first in your exam, in INSEM exam, for INSEM exam, question number first, solve the following. This is your, sorry, for 15 mark, question number first belongs to for 15 मार्क. उसमें क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट आएगा, क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट में ए, दिस क्वेश्चन बिलोंग्स टू शॉर्टकट मेथड, बी, क्वेश्चन बी बिलोंग्स टू MVP, and question C, this question belongs to symmetrical simultaneous. Symmetrical and simultaneous. Okay, or question second, same question, solve the following. This is also for 15 mark. Here question A, question second में question number A, this is same shortcut method. Question B, this question belongs to MVP or Cauchy-Euler or Legendre. And C belongs to symmetrical simultaneous. Symmetrical and simultaneous. Okay, this is weightage of first unit for INSEM exam. Okay, for INSEM exam unit first is important. Okay, total mark कितने हैं for this unit number first? Total marks है 15 mark for INSEM exam. This is your pattern. Question number first, solve the following for 15 mark. तो देखो, first question from shortcut method, second from MVP, and third from symmetrical simultaneous. और क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड सेम. ओके, यहाँ पे सेम है सब. यहाँ पे चेंज क्या है? इन क्वेश्चन नंबर बी MVP, यहाँ पे क्या है? MVP, यहाँ पे क्या है? MVP और Cauchy-Euler और Legendre. ओके, बाकी ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है दोनों में. आइदर सॉल्व क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट और क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. ओके, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट यूनिट नंबर फर्स्ट.